Sometimes the most difficult question can be, well, how much is it going to cost? Because with public cloud, there's a whole lot of variability and a whole lot of factors that can lead to what the cost is going to be at the end of a given day or given month or given year. Now, we like to look for opportunities to save in the long term. Sometimes that means using things like reserved instances, which allows companies to prepay for compute or looking for ways to save on licensing costs. But at the end of the day, the public cloud offers scalability. And so one of the key things that we're trying to do with our customers is find a way to scale and balance their needs with cost to make sure that, one, their app is never suffering just to save a little bit of money, but two, to make sure that we're not paying for things that we don't need. Sometimes that can be things like auto scaling. We like to talk about scaling out and scaling in, but also scaling up and scaling down. And two different ways to approach it, but they have pretty drastic differences in how that can affect cost at the end of the day and how they can, allow for seamless scaling without your end customers realizing that they are, being added to a new server or to a new instance.